What is up, guys? Kelly Bass Info here, back with another video. We're out on the California Delta, back at our home water today, guys. Get a little bit of that in today. Just trying to put some stuff away. But tomorrow we'll be at Comanche pre-fishing and tournament. But let's try to get some fish out on our home water today. Get some chunkers. Got a nice one. Okay. Nice 4-pounder by Noah.
I don't think it's a 4.
It's probably close to it. It looks like a 4.
I think it's a 3.
Okay, look. Okay.
He has a big old hole in his mouth. He has 2 holes in his mouth.
Oh yeah, you've been.
Okay.
Huh?
Small.
It's tiny.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it just blew up on that thing.
One on the wobble flopper, one on the crank.
Oh, B. Oh my god.
Oh jeez. Oh my god, he's gonna get you.
Let me save that.
He thinks my head is a flower.
Yeah, mine's like possible. Mine's got a 4-pounder right now.
What?
It's big.
Okay, okay. You got him, Noah?
Hurry.
You get it, Noah. That's a good one. That's a good one. Oh my god, dude. That's
not the biggest
a
one.
big one, dude.
Just got this guy on a custom crankbait I got. Let's see if I can show you guys. Just a craw color crank, square bill. Nice 2.5. 286 on the dot. 286. Let's get him back in the water. So bad. It's gone. Now, Noah's look. Make sure you're getting good video too. Turn it back on because this thing's really old. Let's get a weight on this guy. Does he have a hole in his lip so he just?
He has 2.
There you go. This guy weighs in at 291.
The same fish.
291, pretty much, yeah. So we have that's about 5.5, 6 pounds, pretty much close to 6 pounds for our 2 fish. Noah's nice long fish right there. Let's let him go. Get back to the marina.